We're starting a series of lessons for those passionate about floristry like me, from hobby to business. We're learning floristry by analyzing bouquets, as they say. Reconnaissance in force. We're analyzing a bouquet by Pamela Westland, who has published many books on arranging bouquets. I'll give you practical explanations of how to arrange them, what materials can be used, and which can be replaced with modern ones. In each lesson, we always follow this plan. 1. Color, colors, reason. The white and yellow are about 3 to 2 points plus. Lacking color, this is for my taste. Tone midtones or contrast. If you want to discuss, please, but don't force your tastes on others. The beauty of floristry is that it's a flight of fancy. And we will respect other people's opinions and not change them. You'd think, although I don't like the background wall, concrete, and vase, it's rough. But I understand the author, it's a contrast between rough and soft. 2. Bouquet shape and background. This is a very broad topic, including the bouquet's purpose and volume with height. This bouquet is loosely arranged, but in my opinion, it has several flaws, not mistakes, but the intersection of lines and obscuring the focal point, the beauty of the flower, its shape, without obscuring the view. 3. Flowers and greenery. The Madonna lily, ranging from 50 to 80 centimeters in height, has 1 to 3 flowers per branch. This ancient and symbolic flower represents purity, nobility, renewal, and motherhood. It has a rich history dating back to antiquity and a variety of species, from white to vibrant hybrids. It is popular in bouquets for various occasions, from weddings to well wishes. The name comes from the Celtic word for white, and mythology associates it with the goddess Hera, emphasizing its symbolism of purity. It has a strong scent. I wouldn't recommend it for those with allergies. And roses. The rose became the flower of knights who shed blood. In 16th century interpretations of alchemical philosophy, this flower symbolized the mystery of knowledge and wisdom. During the Renaissance, the symbolism lost its sublime essence. Poets and artists celebrated the flower as a sign of earthly sensuality, love, and passion. Place the greenery first between the flowers, making sure one doesn't obscure the other, and then, to taste, finish the form, the frame. 4. Proportion to the vase or stand. This depends on the bouquet's intended use. On a table, held in hand at a wedding, against a wall, or as a garland. I'll give you some time to read this assembly technique. If you liked it, give it a like, join in, and subscribe.